How to create a new user on Windows. Hello everyone. Want to create a separate user account on your Windows computer? Let's learn how to create a new user on Windows. Press Windows key plus I to open the Settings app. Click on Accounts. In the Accounts menu, click on Family and Other Users on the left-hand side. Under Other Users, click on Add someone else to this PC. A Microsoft account sign-in window will appear. If you want to create a local account, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Fill in the username, password, and security questions for the new user. Click Next to create the account. After creating the account, you can set its type. In the Family and Other Users section, click on the New User Account. Click Change Account Type and select either Standard User or Administrator. Click OK to save the changes. Sign out of your current account and restart your computer. On the login screen, select the new user account and enter the password to log in, and that's it. You've successfully created a new user on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials and tips. Happy computing!